talk about something that I don't actually know much about. It's called hybrid living. So it's all about embracing new lifestyles, and it is shifting really the real estate market. Joining us with more is Natasha Pavone from Resort HQ. And is that the question you get the most, is hybrid living? What does it mean?
Yeah, so it's a term coined by Resort HQ that represents a lifestyle approach that allows you to spend time in 2 or more places throughout the year. So it covers a variety of different demographics. And it provides a flexibility approach to a new lifestyle. So a lot of our demographic is soon to be retiree professionals or retired professionals itself that choose to spend their time in the winter months and maybe down south, and then use their resort cottage and spend time there.
Because you can't make this your permanent residence. This is an alternative to your this is a secondary home.
Correct. This is a resort cottage.
Okay.
So there's a lot of investors as well that are looking into taking an opportunity into our short-term rental program, and they can rent it out as a vacation opportunity as well.
Okay. Where are they?
We have 9 resorts across Ontario.
So they're all scattered all over. Like, what are some of the areas in Ontario?
Yeah, so we have some that are up in the Muskoka Way, a couple that are along the Lake Hurons, and then we also have a couple in the GTA area. So whether you love fishing or you love, have beach access, or you want to be be around wineries.
You can choose where you would want to go. And I guess if you don't want to travel, you might do it closer to your home where you are.
Absolutely.
So there's not extensive travel. So let's talk about the homes specifically themselves. Like, how big are these homes? Are they different sizes? Are they all the same size?
They're anywhere between 300 to 538 square feet. So essentially, if you want to take a traditional condo, a 500 square foot condo, out of a Hamilton apartment building, you take it out and place it on a piece of nature, right? So as you can see, they're fully equipped with bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen, and it does provide a loft space there that you can utilize as a secondary bedroom, or you can use it as storage space as well.
So it's a 2 bedroom. So how many people is it for a couple? Like, what do you suggest?
We have a variety of different layouts. So we have anywhere between 1 to 3 bedroom options, actually.
So 1 to 3. So they do grow in size.
Yeah, they could fit anywhere between 2 people to up to 8 to 9 people.
And then they're situated in a community with a number of other Resort HQ spots.
Absolutely. So, and then on our resorts, there's a variety of different amenities that are included. So you're really getting that condo feel, but you're in place with one nature.
Okay.
Right.
So what's the uniqueness of it? How is it different than, let's say, other spots out there?
Yeah, so a lot of our units actually provide full insulation throughout the colder months. Ontario has 4 seasons, as you know, right? And this gives us an opportunity to enjoy your fall and winter months at the same time, as opposed to your traditional spring and summer months.
So a lot of these other parks are only doing spring and summer, and then they're shutting down after that. But you can stay in these all year round. Our
units are totally viable they're fully insulated with double pane glass that you could utilize our resort for 4-season opportunities.
Okay, and with cottage prices out there, this is kind of a nice alternative. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So where do people, where do you go? What's the next step if people's like, interesting?
Yeah, thank you for asking that. Yeah. That's a great question. So you could definitely go onto our website, www.resorthq.ca. Okay. Take a look at our website. You could see a variety of the different models that we represent, and all our resorts are there included. So, and then you could reach out, inquire within, and a sales representative, maybe me, will be reaching out to you, answer any questions that you may have. And we also like to offer that anyone interested in our hybrid living opportunity can actually stay at one of our resorts, whether it's a weekend or a week away. A lot of people
to test it out.
Yeah, absolutely. There's different ways to stay at our resorts, whether that's a campsite or you want to rent out maybe one of our resort cottages itself and get your feet wet before diving into purchasing.
Is this fairly new? Like, you guys been around for a while?
We've been around for a while.
While? Okay.
Yeah.
But based out of
Hamilton is our head office.
Awesome.
And like I said, we have 9 resorts across Ontario.
Yeah, so then you can see where those resorts are.
Yeah.
Natasha Pavone from Resort HQ educating us on this hybrid living on Morning Live on your Monday.
Thank you.